Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us discuss 25 multiple choice questions about introduction to computer application. These questions are selected from the previous mid exam. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's see each question one by one. The first question, what is the primary function of computer? A, to calculate, B, to store data, C, to process data, D, all of the above. The correct answer is D, all of the above. Because computer can used to calculate data, store data, to process data, and so on. Question number 2. Which of the following is an operating system? Microsoft Word, Windows 10, Google Chrome, Adobe Photoshop. B. Windows 10 is an example of operating system, but the others are application software. 3. Which of the following is not a computer application? Word processor, spreadsheet, web browser, light bulb. From the given list, the light bulb it's not a computer application. 4. What type of software is Microsoft Excel? Word processor, spreadsheet, database, presentation. Microsoft Excel is a type of spreadsheet software. 5. What does the term cloud computing refers to? Cloud computing: A. Storing data on your local computer. B. Storing data on the internet. C. Operating system management. D. None of the above. The correct answer is storing data on the internet is the correct answer. 6. Which of the following, which file format is typically used for text documents? B is the correct answer. When we see A, it is for the file extension for image data. C, which for the executable files. D for video files. 7. Which of the following is not an input device? Keyboard, mouse, monitor, scanner. Monitor, which is an output device, not an input device. C is the correct answer. 8. Which of the following is an example of system software? Microsoft Word, Photoshop, Windows, PowerPoint. An example of system software from the given is Windows. Windows, which is a system software, not an application. The others are systems, not system software, but those are application softwares. 9. What is the function of RAM in a computer? The function of RAM in a computer to store temporary data or for the temporary storage. 10. Which of the following is web browser? Microsoft Word, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Excel, Adobe Illustrators. Mozilla Firefox, which is a web browser. The others are application software. 11. Which of the following is typical use of spreadsheet softwares? Creating database table, writing easy, performing calculation and data analysis, designing graphics. The use of spreadsheet is the application software that used for performing calculations and data analysis. 12. Which of the following file extension is typically associated with image? .jpg is the file extension that used for images. 32. Which software would you use to create resume? Database, presentation, word processor, spreadsheet software. Word processor that used for prepare resumes as a document. Question number 14. What is the purpose of search engine? To create content, to store file, to find information on the internet, to manage database. The purpose of search engine to find information on the internet is the correct answer. Question 1.5. Which operating system is developed by Apple? The Apple company which developed the Mac operating system. 16. What does URL stands for? URL stands for Universal Resource Locator. B. Uniform Resource Locator. C. Universal Reference Locator. D. Uniform Reference Locator. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. B is the correct answer. Question number 17. What does the acronym PDF stand for? Portable Document Format. 18. What type of software is antivirus categorized as? Antivirus software can be categorized as utility software. What is the function of modem? The function of modem is to convert digital signal to analog signals. 20. What is the role of motherboard in computer? It is a hardware component motherboard is which used to connect all components together. 21. What is the primary role of web server? The role of web server is to host websites for requests. 22. What device is used to point and click on the screen item? Monitor, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Mouse that is used to point and click on the screens. 23. Which hardware component is essential for network connectivity connection? CPU, network interface card, hard drive, RAM. Network interface card is a component that is used for network connections for the computer. 24. What is the term booting refers? Booting refers to starting up a computer. The last question. What is an example of application software? Microsoft Windows, Microsoft Word, BIOS, device driver. Microsoft Word is an example of application software. That's the last question for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.